If this makes you feel like this, then watch this video and I'll go over how to fix a swamp cooler, every single part of it, including maintenance, so that you can feel like this again, even in the summer. Stay tuned. If your filter looks like this, it's probably time to change it. Jeez. The 1/4-inch water line to this evaporative cooler had been cut, causing the pump to burn out, which is why these wires are just dangling here. It's been uninstalled. The first thing to do is install a new float, because that way the water will fill up. This is a standard 1/4-inch compression fitting. You slide this brass ring over the line, and then when you connect it to the float, it'll compress the fitting and make everything flare out and make it leak proof. Basically, it's magic. I don't know how it works. Just watch it. Rubber washer goes towards the inside of the cooler. The brass one goes towards the outside. You get the idea. Can't do it with one. Here's a better look about how this compression fitting works. Slip it right in there. Clamp it down over the top. Done. If you have two brain cells to rub together, you can figure out how this 1/2-inch line goes on the pump. Did you figure it out? Yeah, just like that. Damn it. There should be a hose bib with a 1/4-inch line on it. So you can put that just like you did on the top. You can see this one's leaking, but it really doesn't matter if it leaks because the float on the top of the swamp cooler will stop it anyways.
Gotta make sure to tighten this because it'll compress that little brass fitting. If you look close, you can see it's sticking out the top as I screw it. That causes it to be nice and tight. So when you put a bunch of pressure on it, hopefully it won't leak. Yay!
Pump's wired. Here's the float. You can see when you raise it up, it shuts off the water. So this will go another 1/2 inch. And you obviously want it kind of up fairly high so the pump doesn't dry up, but you want it low enough that it doesn't flow over the side or down this pipe. And you need to make sure that this is kind of clear so the water can actually drain. Oh yeah. I appreciate the fact that you found this video and that you watched it, and hopefully it's helpful to you. The truth is, I have a bunch of videos and they're all on different topics, construction related topics, including this kitchen behind me, among other things, concrete finishing, framing, a bunch of other stuff. Feel free to check that out. I'd appreciate it. I'd definitely appreciate it if you subscribe. But anyways, even if you don't, you'll find me again next time you need something fixed. Thanks for watching.